viewing your league. Automatic Evelyn actually does the work of two professionals. First, it's a league secretary, and secondly, the application is a web developer. In its job as a league secretary, the user of the program does the weekly inputting of scores, and the application subsequently tabulates the results and prepares a hard copy of the weekly sheet. However, this weekly hard copy isn't printable from within the application. Instead, it's sent out to the website that Evelyn, the web developer, auto-generates for the league. This website for all leagues that use Automatic Evelyn is located in one central location at www.worldleagues.net. Since the application serves leagues all across the country, league members and the secretary can view the expansive web portal that gets generated for their league each week by selecting the state in which they live, and subsequently, within this geographic breakdown, the appropriate league can be selected for viewing. The weekly hard copy is created as its own web page under the individual statistics and team standings web links for each league. The advantage to this method of production is that league members have the option of printing their own copies of the weekly sheets from the comfort of their homes or work sites, or they can simply view the league results on their computers or smartphones. This ultimately results in a financial savings for the league in that not as many of the weekly standings sheets need to be photocopied, although at least a few copies should be made and distributed at the lanes to accommodate those players who aren't computer savvy.